You're maybe wondering, if FOCUS-1 combines measurement, control and diagnostics into one unit, does that mean if one part fails, I'd need to replace the whole thing? Great question, and it's one that we get all the time. Actually, the answer is no. FOCUS-1 was created specifically to reduce maintenance and replacement needs over time. Its design, for example, is modular. That means that each component can be monitored, fine-tuned, and if needed, replaced individually. Also, its diagnostics detect wear out early and warn you before you even have an issue. Each part has a longer lifespan this way. So instead of creating a single point of failure, FOCUS-1 actually reduces downtime, cuts maintenance costs, and keeps everything running smoothly. There you go, another myth busted. So what other questions do you have about FOCUS-1 that we can clear up?